to another video. You're watching Fun here with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Samsung's variant, which was 2012 release. That is Samsung Galaxy S3. Yes, we are going to talk about S3 out here. And when we talk about S3, we can say Samsung Galaxy S3 is a variant which was quite popular back then in 2012 in the initial days when it was released out. There was a lot of reasons. There are a lot of reasons why it was a very famous and very controversial phone out there because it offers you a great functionality in a very compact range. Yes, in a very compact range, you get to have a lot of functionalities out there, such as it is a very light version weight. Yes, it's a lightweighted phone out here. We can say that. Why we say lightweighted? The weight of this variant is less than 140 grams, in fact less than 135 grams. So approximately we can say it is about 130 grams weighted phone out there, which clearly states that this is a light version out there. Now when we say light version, it does not mean that it is absolutely not heavy at all. It is heavy, and you can feel it in your hand when you have, but not very heavy that you feel like, oh, it's very heaviness. No, it's not that like that. Another factor why it was very popular was the protection out given in this variant. Yes, you get to have Gorilla Glass 2 protection out there at glass front. You get to have a Gorilla Glass 2 protection also. As well as you get to have plastic frame design in this variant. Yes, you get to have plastic frame design. Now talking about this plastic frame design, we can say that this variant offers you micro SIM. Micro SIM is offered by this variant, so this is again amazing function phone out here, Samsung Galaxy S3. We already know that S3 has a mini version too. Yes, you get to see mini version also. Mini version has all these same specifications, but in a very more compactable way. Yes, more we can say comprised way it has. Now moving on with Samsung Galaxy S3, we can say that it has a screen size of 4.8-inch screen. Along with that, you get to have super almond capacitive touch screening. Yes, super almond capacitive touch screening can be seen out, as well as you get to see that this variant offers you 4.8-inch screen size. This screen size is quite good, so we can say that offering this size is really helpful. But apart from that, you get to see that it offers you 306 ppi density. Yes, 306 ppi density could be seen out here. So this is again amazing version out there. As well as when we talk about Samsung Galaxy S3, we can say that this variant offers you Gorilla Glass 2 protection, which we have seen now. So this protection was back then very famous. Yes, this was very famous out here when we talk about Samsung Galaxies, or when we talk about the time when it was released out in the early 2012. So that was very popular out there. Now let us talk about the internal systems of the Samsung Galaxy S3. We can say that Samsung Galaxy S3 runs on Android 4, which can be later on upgraded up to Android 4.3. Yes, it can be later upgraded up to 4.3. As well as it is a good collaborated with UNESCO, that is 4412, as well as quad core processor. Apart from that, you would love to see, and we can say that it has a good expandability and internal storage capacity. Yes, expandability and internal storage capacity is quite good out here, offering you 16 GB, 32 GB, and 64 GB variants. Yes, 16 GB, 32 GB, and 64 GB variants can be seen out with 1 GB RAM. 1 GB RAM is seen out here, so this is one of the amazing features again. This offers you 1.9 MP megapixel camera. Yes, 1.9 megapixel camera. That is the selfie camera out here. Yes, you get to have a selfie camera of 1.9 megapixel, whereas you get to have 8 megapixel rear camera. So this is also a good function. That the back then it was introducing nice camera out there. Apart from that, you get to see that it has no infrared point, but 3.5 jack can be seen out. You will get to see loudspeakers, you get to see WAN connectivity, you get to see Bluetooth 4 connectivity, and you also get to see that it has got stereo type speakers. radio connectivity out there, and you also get to see that it offers you a good connections with micro USB 2 type charging, and you also get to see accelerometer, proximity, gyroscope out there. Along with that, S natural voice language command is also seen in this case. S natural voice command system. Overall, if we talk, then you can see that this variant offers you 2100 mAh battery. Along with that, it provides you 21 hours talk time in 2G variant and 11 hours talk time in 3G variant. So overall, this can be said that this offers you a good variety out there. Yes, offering you good variety is must. And when we talk about this battery life, then battery life is quite good. And we also need a pricing for which we can invest on. So there is a website which offers you a worth investing price. So this is the website I'm talking about, and the website name is phoneZone.ae. This website offers you a great range of products in your pocketable rates. Like this category, all mobile phones, helps you to search your favorite gadgets in this category from these reputed brands. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am typing S3, and I could see S3 and S3 mini. So I'm typing S3 only. So this is the result which we have got from our search icon. And this result is a description box out here. So we have got a description box. And when we talk about this variant, this has a category condition which is refurbished. So what is refurbished condition? So let us talk about that. Talking about refurbished product, or saying what is refurbished, we can say what is brand new. Let us take a look about the word refurbished. If we talk about refurbished, then we can say refurbished is something new like. Yes, you can say that it's something new like out here. Or if we say what is brand new means absolutely untouched. That is for the very first time, pehli baar, which we have not seen out in the market. That is launched for first time, or we can say that is something which we are seeing for the very first time. But refurbished is once it has been launched and we are creating it again back as it was at the time of launch. That is what refurbished and brand new are. Talking about that, we can say that both of them follows the same path out here. Yes, both of them follows the same path. If we talk about brand new or if we talk about refurbished, both of them follows the same path. दोनों में ही क्या होता है, दोनों में ही बेस होता है, मीडिएटर होता है एंड कंज्यूमर होता है. यस, वी हैव बेस, वी हैव मीडिएटर, वी हैव कंज्यूमर आउट हियर in not just in gadgets but in every aspect of the time. Moving on, what is the pathway for brand new? Brand new's pathway includes nothing else but the company, marketplace and the users out there. Yes, it includes the marketplace and the user. Base is the company, matlab a place or base or a point from where that gadget, that device is launched for the very first time is known as the base. Now when it comes to mediator, it is a bridge, it is a place where the company and the users meet. Yes, it's a place where the company and the user meet. That is the mediator. After it is into the marketplace, into the mediated form, then it comes to the consumer. Consumers are us, like the users. We are the consumers. This is what the pathway of brand new includes. Now, when we talk about refurbished, what happens? This user becomes the base. Yes, this user becomes the base out here, and then it becomes the pre-owned gadget out here. You get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now it comes to the marketplace. Yes, it comes to the marketplace. Now coming to the marketplace, it is now going to have another user with it. Yes, it's going to have a user. Now these users are the one who would like to have this pre-owned gadget. So this is the whole pathway included. Now the user here is the base and the user up, which was the consumer, they are the same thing. Yes, the pre-owned phone from the company has been used once again. So this is what the pathway all looks like. Now, if we say the user has pre-owned a gadget, and now another user is using it. Is it good enough to use or not? That is the main question out there. So yes, it is absolutely good to use because we check out the parameters, we check out the gadgets, so whether it is good to use or not, whether the parameters are absolutely verified or we can say the parameters are absolutely checked for each and every gadget or not. Like these parameters are basically the internal external specifications of any gadget. Like when we talk about any gadget, we can say that these gadget includes external and internal factors. Like externally what we see through our eyes. Yes, what we see through our eyes, we can see whether the gadget is having scratches or not, whether the display is working good or not, whether the gadget has got a good camera or not, video quality, audio quality, sim recognitions out there, whether sim is there or not, battery life, battery charger out there, buttons, display, touch, everything has to be checked. So these external factors includes the external parameters. Whereas the internal parameters are the ones which are to be tested by not just humans or the ones, but with very specified gadgets or very specified tools, we can say, is like the operating system inbuilt in it, the CPU, GPU out there, the connectivities out there, the sensitivities inbuilt in it, data connectivities or data recovery, data wiping, colorization inbuilt in it, the screen size out there. Every feature has to be checked. Yes, every feature has to be checked, and after it passes all the major 29 parameters, then it is certified as refurbished. Yes, then it is said that the product is refurbished. Now, talking about this refurbished product, let us go to the benefits of having refurbished products. Because refurbished products offers you some benefits too. Number one, it offers you pocketable rates. Yes, it offers you pocketable rates. As we already know, brand new products are actually expensive out here, whereas the refurbished products are quite pocketable. Talking about another specification, other benefit is that now you can have a great savings. Since you get your favorite gadgets in pocketable rates, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you get to save a good amount out here. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, but with refurbished or we are talk about any pre-owned phone. Do we get any warranty period with pre-owned phones? No, usually not. But if you have a category written as refurbished, certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period. Along with it, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy because you get to have a gadget which is to be tested and has been testified. But say if you find that gadget is not worth it, then you can definitely try it out and check, and then you can have 7-day exchange policy. Now, talking about this exchange policy and everything, let us go back to the site and see whether these benefits are offered on the same website or not. Let us check about that. So this is the website out here, and the website name I would like to again mention, that is Phone Zone. Phone Zone means a zone or a place where you get to have most of your favorite gadgets, or from all over the brand you can have your favorite gadgets. And this category, all mobile phones, help you to have that specification. Yes, there are n number of brands listed out where you get to have your favorite gadgets. As well as this site offers you a great variety of the benefits, like 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy could be seen. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping. Yes, you get free COD and free shipping out there. Now, talking about free shipping and COD, we can say that it offers you 48 hours time. Yes, 48 hours is expected time for the home delivery within most parts of UAE. In most parts of UAE, you have 48 hours delivery time. Whereas in Saudi, you get to have approximately a week time. Yes, Saudi, it might take up to a week. But you can check out the website for best pricing, as well as you can also check out the website for your favorite gadgets and delivery time in your area. So till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.